Hi, this is Cindy Kent, and today we're making easy oven lasagna. This is what you'll need: Italian sausage, spaghetti sauce, Italian seasoning, cooking spray, lasagna noodles, cheese, ricotta cheese, and then parm. First step, we're gonna wash our hands. Always wash hands. And then turn on the medium high. First, we brown the sausage. The tool I'm using is a chopper, and I'm chopping the meat. It helps me break up the meat. Make sure there's no pink left at all. We'll drain this and put it aside. Now we're going to combine the ricotta cheese and the seasoning and Parmesan. Now we're going to preheat oven to 350 degrees. We drain the meat, and now we're going to add the spaghetti sauce. You can use any kind what you want. We like to stir it up. And we're going to spray it with olive oil. Now we got everything we need all ready to go. We're going to layer it with the sauce, cheese, and noodles. This is super easy. You don't have to boil these noodles. I like to top it off with Emo's pizza cheese. It's so beautiful. We're going to bake for 40 to 45 minutes. We can do the dishes while it bakes. Wow, this looks delicious. I love it. It's hot, so let it cool for 15 minutes. Feed your family. Ciao, baby.